How to fix Quicken Cloud Sync Errors, Easy Solutions. Are you facing issues syncing data with Quicken Cloud? This guide will help you fix sync errors with simple troubleshooting steps. Common causes of Quicken Cloud Sync Errors. Internet connection issues. Quicken Cloud service outages. Outdated Quicken software. Corrupt or conflicting data. Incorrect Quicken ID credentials. Firewall or antivirus blocking Quicken. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure you have a stable internet connection. Restart your Wi-Fi router or try a wired connection. Test your internet speed to confirm connectivity. Step 2. Check if Quicken Cloud services are down. Visit Quicken's official website or Twitter support page. If there's a service outage, wait until Quicken resolves the issue. Step 3. Sign out and sign back into Quicken. Open Quicken and go to Edit Preferences Quicken ID Cloud Accounts. Click Sign Out, restart Quicken, and log back in. Try syncing again. Step 4. Update Quicken to the latest version. Open Quicken and click Help check for updates. Download and install any available updates. Restart Quicken and attempt to sync again. Step 5. Reset Quicken Cloud data. Open Quicken and go to Edit Preferences Quicken ID Cloud Accounts. Click Sign in as a different user. Sign back in and check if the issue is resolved. Step 6. Disable and re-enable syncing. Go to Edit Preferences Mobile Web. Uncheck Sync, click OK, and restart Quicken. Re-enable sync and try again. Step 7. Validate and repair your Quicken data file. Open Quicken and go to File File Operations Validate and Repair. Select Validate File and click OK. Restart Quicken and check if the sync issue is fixed. Step 8. Check Firewall and antivirus settings. Open Windows Defender Firewall or antivirus software. Ensure Quicken is allowed through both public-private networks. Try syncing again. Step 9. Reinstall Quicken if needed. Go to Control Panel Programs Features. Find Quicken, right-click, and select Uninstall. Download the latest version from the Quicken website and reinstall it. Sign in and check if syncing works. Final thoughts. Black check mark emoji. Following these steps will help fix Quicken Cloud Sync errors. Black check mark emoji. Keep Quicken updated and validate data files regularly. Black check mark emoji. If the issue persists, contact Quicken support. Thank you.